This is Warren from Excel Employee Leave Tracker. Today, I'm going to show you 2 tips to improve productivity for HR and payroll professionals. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up icon and subscribe. Today, we're going to learn about the CountIF function and the CountIFS function. The CountIF function is used to count a single item within a range or table. I highly recommend that whatever you're using the CountIF function, you create a table. Today we're looking to find Marvel heroes, DC heroes, and indie heroes using the range of information I have here. To make this a table, we go to Insert, Table, and I highly recommend that you place your mouse in a cell that contains the information that you're looking for. Click on Table. Ensure that My Table Has Headers is checked and click OK. You will now see that your range has now turned into a table. You can quickly identify a table by the different color bands and the filter drop-down. The formula or function that we're going to use to find Marvel heroes in our second column is going to be equal count if, open parentheses, place our mouse on the column that contains the range of information we're looking for. For us, it's the publisher. And as you can see, our mouse has now turned into a down arrow. Click the left mouse button. You'll see the dancing ants. Type in a comma. And because we're looking for Marvel, we're going to type in the word in double quotes, Marvel. Close quote, close the parentheses, and enter. And we now have the number 24. Let's do the same for DC heroes. Type in equal, count if, open parentheses, place our mouse on the range that we're looking for, which is again our second column. Left mouse click, you'll see the dancing ants. We're going to type in a comma. In the criteria, we're looking for DC Comics. So we're going to make this double quote, DC Comics. Double quote, close parentheses. And finally, indie heroes. Enter, the equal sign, count if, open parentheses, the range that we're looking for, our second column, left mouse click, see the dancing ants, comma, again we're looking for indie, so we're going to type in the word indie in double quotes, close double quotes, and then close parentheses. Once you type in the formula, it'll be a lot easier than going to data, filter, and then going one by one to filter, especially if you have a large data set. Let's just check my numbers. So if we go to the filter and we just select Marvel, we should have a total of 24 records. And as you can see, I have 24 out of 48, and that matches our number here. Let's check DC Comics. We have a total of 16. So if we count this, it comes out to 16, which matches our number. And finally, if we go to Indie and deselect the others, we have a total of 5, which is 5 out of 46 records. So that's how you use the CountIF function. Let's go to the CountIFS function. The CountIFS function is used to count multiple items within a range. So here we have the same range, and our count, what we're looking for is how many Marvel heroes are male and how many DC comic heroes are female. Let's change our range of information into a table again. So we make sure you can place your mouse anywhere that contains the data set. Go to Insert, Table, ensure that My Table has headers, has a little check mark next to it, and click Enter or OK. We now have changed our range into a table. So let's enter the formula. It's very similar to the first formula. Equal sign, count if with an S this time, open parentheses. So we want the first criteria range. First criteria range, again, we're going to highlight and hover over publisher because we're looking for Marvel. Going to left mouse click. Going to highlight our range. We're going to click or enter the comma, and we're going to type in the word Marvel in double quotes. Double quotes again, comma, and now we're looking for our second criteria. We're looking for male, and that's found in our third column in the sex gender. So we highlight, place our mouse over the column, left mouse click. You'll see the dancing ants. Place a comma, and we're going to type in the word male in double quotes. Close double quotes, close parentheses, and we have 16. Let's do the same for our second criteria, or second question. How many DC comic heroes are female? Click the equal sign, type in the word count, if with an S, open parentheses. We're going to go to our first criteria range, which is publisher, because we're looking for DC Comics. Make sure you see the down arrow. With your left mouse button, click. You'll see the dancing ants, comma. We're going to type in the word in double quotes, DC Comics. Double quote, comma. Now we're going to go to our second criteria range. We want to find female. Female is found in our third column. So you can see the down arrow, left mouse button, comma, and we're going to type in the word female in double quotes. Close double quotes, close parentheses, enter. And let's check our numbers here. So we have 16 in our number. So if we want to double check, change this, take off all of these check marks. We want Marvel only, okay? And then we want to check for male. So we have to use the drop down, take off both and female, leave male, and we have a total of 16 if we count these out. Let's check our numbers for our second criteria. So we select all, clear the filters. We want to see how many DC comics are female. Drop down, make sure DC Comics is checked. Click OK. And then check only female and OK. And we have a total of 9, as we can see right here. So that's how we use both the CountIF function and the CountIFS function. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time.